Aflawo people, what they happen. Now, there's a story trending on social media where one man killed his sister and daughter. So, meaning say kill in family person. Your sister and daughter automatically be your daughter. So, this man kill him. The killing staff know they bomb you. What they bomb me be say the way he cut the kid, he cut him into pieces where he put him for pot inside. He put am for pot inside, add spices for top, he go and chop am. That no be all oh. The remaining part, you know how you do am. He want take do barbecue. He want take human being do barbecue. So now he cut am into pieces where he dey roast am. So the whole story just be say the kid is the bed where him mommy or the mommy want go out wey say okay bro, look after your pikins for me. So as the mommy go come, one girl no dey inside. When he come back, when he ask and say he see and he say no see the girl. So then my mommy mind be say the girl go in other house. So then can't go the other house where they no see him. Then can't they look for the girl, then they look for the girl, they know they see him. So where they go call police come. So as the police come now, where the man jackpa, the man ran away. So as he ran away, everybody suspects say if being be the one way or he get something to do where they want checking room. As they checking room now, then she say oh. The girl in dress did the room where he get blood stains on the dress. Where then say, ah no, this thing they signal some signal, so they for check what. So then go in further into the room. As they go further, we then go see the girl in body where the man cut him. He cut him into pieces. We put some for pot inside. Add spices for top. Human being, no be animal. Human being. After what they happen, you turn human being to cow or goat meat where you go cut them into pieces. Put them for pot inside. Add spices for top. Hey, we can't do be that. This one I know here before. I don't know say if you want to do blood money, they go allow, they go make you go chop human being. I know say you go kill somebody, but I don't know say if you want take blood money, you sound go chop human meat. Charlie, with this guy they say this guy they sell farm milk. Charlie, farm milk they do if you take them serious. One day you go feel make them. But chairman say one get quick money. So he kill his sister and daughter. Wey be 5 years. Somebody in daughter wey 5 years, he grow, Charlie, take your farmer and grow with that part. You can't kill him. That's the kill him. Now that they say the man ran away. So even if like you maintain your farm milk selling business or yogurt selling business, you go still enjoy. Right now you want take blood money, you don't on the run. You know if you dey one place they enjoy. If you hear police now, for start the run. You see, so blood money no be something way before encourage at all, but I don't know why. Charlie, pressure day. Everybody go give you pressure. If somebody get money, go give you pressure. Some people, you know, be blood money then take they give an online pressure. They don't get any money. But you go there somewhere to say, this one get blood money, so make me to do them. Then your own you want to will can be problem give you. So any hustle you do, focus on your hustle. But this story really vexed me. How you go chop human being, you cut them into pieces, put for pot inside. Add spices for top. They can't steam them, boy. You go steam them. I just say you go add ginger and the garlic or make it enter. The spices go plenty. So say you go enter the bones. Hey, Charlie. Hey, people be wicked. So this be the interview about how the thing go. Then do one for every inside. It be the same thing now where I summarize, I talk. So watch the video. Then after you watch the video, subscribe to our channel, like our video, and comment if this thing is good or bad and how you can help the police get this man as well.
Ama koba wopop atonvi nyonuvi de via de pentilan kuku ike wo abuna zabe de wo wu de via cho savoy njojo ya jole aplawu nuto ile ketu sav nuto me le amuga nuto game le pejinu aton ya pankeke wi evagbe lenu mededanu a wo adejeshi de via pentilan kuku le apotode ingu wo buna zado yodan konabe ahiable ya wo David yi edrana finance ye uganye solehame adepe koyame nola ado hajilao domoto deka ke nuchocho ademebe devia dadanya meike egle devi pe atonvi akple novia devi suede homo imeke wo no alodon ayimeke wo no alodon be yava aplenane ke eiko trogboa de via chichito yenye pe atonyonu vi de via meno apamu eje agbagba eji bukeke me ekedengu ke le enufoki ke uga eno de via jima eva gede enua ike nye de vi ke kukumfia togbia pe home eye udeje shebe de via pe awu ike odoa apovu ado avunu lengu le apato ya pe hohonu ike wu egede pe homa ekpobe avunu ni eye wo free de via pe ntila akwe echo edeze eye wo medewo ha abe de wo yiyiwo ene ke wo eva wonu chocho na kpovito wo eye makpovito eva egede tepe ya udeje shebe apato ike nu obu na zarobe eye wu de via enye ahiable ya David a eshi edogbe fia ike kpovito wo ejijim
ayo ale wajo echo ha nyuma la kwa ma fi wajo akai ma va ugbo a ye vinya no nya glona be wi ke ni fo ayo meta ye ni so zama ye yo dodo ga ye yo ko de vi ko mre la kom ke yo ugbo a de via de kamala baji ke yo nke ya yo ye ko de via ye de akoma fia ka nke ya no yo no nya biama yo fwa ba yo makpo de vio ka ko gara ko makpo cheshi ko kuchi ko la ko dogojo ma gbo ka e vinya pla no afu ada o yi de police station be ko police yo ka e ke o gbono kwa do the sports police yo flag pa kwa yo ko ojo ta ma la pa ma fi police o ko amapupu akpla amakpla yiba doka ko ba kika fi over yede police station over ko de biakpla du no kata we yede police station ta amu ya kata jojo ma ale wa jo eke ta ni mala ke pa fi wa jo ya de mo ba gadam
de via peneni election
po ton ina la nem pa ton
e na skua mia po maude nya kele mia shififia ku de via pe me ko to tropata
nya na ku de wa ale ke ko mia wa wo fia wa po amu ya na gble wa ku ya iji mo nya me pe kwa
nya ka mia glona police
iwon wa we le wa oga ajiba wa ko iba mu ayiba foto akaka da amo no afika mo da pele kwa o pele bi na yo
mami la kan wa jona glona mi
na cho sama yo ko yomba inda jojola ye pe sister ji ye me tro yo nye pe sister pa ye pe sister ba ina iba ko iba do bure anwa aka choma azado ko fo e ma mi fo ba ko o ba yo police over pa ma ba lo enwo la apa ma ko ida konji if you know how o ko ba dara police station ai mi ba mi ga ba ko ngo de fe apa
la kenya mia pa sesela la mafia
sister do mo do mi anvo mi akwa me ya na wu ama ha nya dinya ye ko jimi le ta ni wa vunin mi do ko gana amile mi asin
taji choza amade yo mi choma zado tandi ayemi fova tami de kuku na kakakata ba fi shafi ka wakpo ya olade no lina mi emi adie nya tami de kuku ko no afa gbede hahama de via ha untu bubu oji de via na azupo ma bubu panya tami de kuku na ma shama ikana mi akponde no pere mi anwu na mi aji ya wakaka mi akadanti susu ita owedoa de vi machi apana vi ko ina paton vi awu de via yi de via anu apagbele hahama no do ala ma fifile mo kwa ya wa nya pa sister lagola tami de kuku fi shafi kama shama ikakpo ya wole fi de shada na jalo chinjini wa kwa police station de shada ikana so gboa tami de kuku kakakata na pombla ina mi mu ya ma jole fi akpo jegba to ojota de mi de kuku ma shama na kpere mi anwu wa vuna mi agama le mi asimi na medeke kogo interpol fi de ko tami de kuku ganda na kakakata ona kpere mi an waji ya o kpere mi an to mi aba sister ba vie wa mi jiba no li ala ba de via fofo apa side ami manya la ko gbona vi no ha ogo kpere mi aba sister kata ogo tami de kuku
okay leka ya wala now
ya wanya sister fa vie mi akata mi nya family tanya sister fa vie ma ko banya fa cousin onya
okay won ya pa de la te pa de misakwa ye susumo dodo fudem ne a
susuma do ma fudam ni na da ka ma fudam ni o kpere no ape no vi okwe la ape ma susuma do na da ka ma futo gba ba jana glada no anwu Kaka ha ya gbagba ma we ko.
Peneni ano ya oshi.
34. Ya ko 34. 34 years. Astroma let you via ma let you. O plan no via ko la fa.
Edoka wana.
Ajira na yogurt. Akona da kaka ma coordinator.
Ega woma.
Awon fifile kaka akra la kwama.
Okay. Okay. Apa ya mamila de mi haya lo.
Ofufu papa menya fia.
Thanks for watching. The name is Choda Rich. You can call me Sexy Promoter. Subscribe to this channel, like our video, turn on the notification button so that anytime we drop a video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Subscribe, okay, be good, always hard, and forget our black money. I'm out.